Hi everyone, so I'm back on SS on the go and today I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 keyboard cover. So this is the official keyboard cover by Samsung. The keys are really nice, they're large. The tactile feel is great. The touchpad is also large. It's comfortable, there's a matte finish on it. It feels really nice. There's a keyboard connector right there which will connect directly to the tablet. This is the back side for the tablet that Samsung has sent with this. So there are two parts to it. It has a place to hold the pen and the camera bump. Again, the same matte finish is there. Samsung is written at the back. And so there is a kickstand also at the back, which I think I noticed on the Samsung website that it can go to as high as 165 degrees, which is really nice. Feels really sturdy in my hand. Let's get on with the review. So I'll start connecting different parts of the cover now. So this is the back cover, as I already told you. I'll just try and connect it with the main tablet. It's got magnets as far as I can tell, so it should snap right away. And there, it snaps. And as you can see, there is a bump at the back, and that is where you can put the pencil in. It fits very snugly, so that's good. The pen automatically attaches to the back using the same magnet, I think. So that's good. Again, you can just pull the kickstand out and it will rest directly over there. So now I'll try to show you how the kickstand works. So it can go really low, as I already told you. It's mentioned on the Samsung website and can go so low. So even if you are on the bed just lying around, lazing around, you can still use this kickstand. It can go really low, as you can see, and still comfortably use it. And if you're, let's say, working on it and you want it to slightly stand higher, that also works, as in it's got a nice feel. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the keyboard now. It's again a magnetic attachment, so it fits really nicely, as you can see, and there you go. There it is. Now it really feels like a laptop. If you look at it, it feels really comfortable to work on, and that's a good thing. So we'll just now go ahead to the Samsung Notes app to see how the typing feels like on this thing, right? For a keyboard, the first and the most important thing to note is the feel of the keyboard. And while I'm typing this feels really, really natural, really, really nice. There's a good tactile feeling to this. I really like it. So as I type, I think, so because the size of the keyboard is comparatively smaller than the size that I'm used to, although the keys are big, I am facing some trouble typing in. But I can feel it that as I get more comfortable with this keyboard, this can become my go-to keyboard whenever I'm, sort of writing my thoughts out or writing an article out for you guys. It has a nice feel to it, and it's definitely a much more improved version as compared to the S6 keyboard, which had comparatively smaller keys, which eventually led to a bad typing experience. This is really nice, Samsung. Good job on. So this review will be incomplete without Samsung DeX, which has come a really long way since the last time I saw it. So you can see that now the Google Chrome, as soon as I enter, is in a small window, and I can resize the size of this window. I can put it on one side, and with a mouse pointer specifically, it feels really natural to do so. Unlike before when we had to use the touch interface to do it. I can, for example, put the Google Chrome on the right, open a Notes app on the left, and keep making notes while I'm doing research, which is very, very convenient for people. This keyboard cover also has an entire row of function keys, which makes it very, very convenient to, let's say, turn on, turn off the Samsung text, pause the music, increase the volume. It's actually very, very keyboardy. It feels like a real keyboard, and I would definitely recommend it. This is a really nice keyboard. That's it from my side. I'm Shekhar from SS on the Go. If you like my videos, if you like my channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Also press on the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.